This is Guildford to Camberley on as many trains as possible. See, now it's going to be weird to go fast through London Road, Guildford. When I say fast, I don't mean actually fast, I mean express. Because this house always gets me. You could reach out the window and touch a train from that house. It's literally on the railway line. Right, let's do a 444 seat review. Semi-awkward camera angle anyway. So what I like about the 444 is you get these sort of nice winged headrests. You also get tray tables. You get tables in standard, but I'm not at one at the moment because I didn't feel like taking up an entire table to do my dodgy angle vlog. But yeah, they're much more comfortable than the 450s in every way because of the nature of the fact that they were built for the longer distance routes. These are my favourite EMUs in the entire UK, and it's weird that they run on third rail. I'm not sure you can see that, but they run on third rail, which is the electrification system for south of London, and I mean around Liverpool as well. But yeah, so third rail is a bit more uncommon, but I'm used to it because I live here, sort of South Western Railway territory. Well, if you ever get on a train, get off your phone and have a look out the window. Everything from industrial units to locks and lakes. It's actually quite a pleasant ride going fast on the London road lines. Soon enough we should pass fast through Cobhamstoke, Davenant, Leatherhead and a few other stations like that. Right, we're now onto the South Western Railway main line, and we're going to take this train to Weybridge, and then we'll see where we go from there. Right, hello and welcome to Surbiton. There's a flower bed maintained by the Friends of Surbiton station. There's a train that I probably did want. Oh. And there's a rare 450. Thank you, key workers 450. I remember that's 450 067. 67. Ooh, a 701. I doubt we'll get one, I reckon we'll get a 455, but, you know, we could be lucky. Whichever way you want to see it as. You understand the feel? Do you like a bit of modern fresh in your life? Personally, I quite like a good 701. Improved step-free access, air conditioning, toilets, I think. I've kind of forgotten. They might not have toilets, but I thought they would have on a commuter train. And yeah, I do quite like the design of Surbiton Station. Some of the symmetrical shots you can get are quite cool. A bog standard 450 for us, but nonetheless it is a train. And this here is Surbiton. We're going to take this train to Weybridge, where we're going to hop on a branch line service to Virginia Water. Right, that's Surbiton ticked off the list now. Big tick there, and 450 and a 3 plus 3. All to myself. I'll take that, I think. Weybridge, for now, is the current terminus of the South Western Railway main line, apparently, because of engineering works. The curviness of Virginia Water. Now we've got a 15-minute wait here at Virginia Water. How fun. Cool, that's quite a lot of stuff. Yeah, 3 platforms, maybe 4. 4 platforms, 2 different lines. Doesn't seem to come up a lot on mapping services. Not sure why. Right, hello and welcome. We've just got on our train at Virginia Water. And we're going to take this down to Ascot and then get the branch line to Camberley. Right, let's go over the platforms to Camberley. I can see my train is in. We're gonna make it. Yes, we are. Ascot's got some weird history to it. It's got lots of abandoned sidings down there. Looks like there's another line here or something. Because you've got that, which was clearly a platform. Then that, which is another platform. And then maybe even an extra 3rd platform over there. Anyway, I think it's 1 or 2 stops on this until we get to Camberley. We are off at the next station. We've certainly managed to make that journey a bit longer than it was obviously intended to be, and certainly made use of that £2.70 ticket. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, probably in the series. Like and subscribe, and I'll leave you with a shot of Camberley train station. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.